This video has some downshifting in the tighter, slower corners on ramps, off ramps. These are ramps you'll find like mostly in the city, and they can be quite complicated for new manual transmission drivers because they are slower and they can really slow your momentum down very quickly. And you have to basically downshift for them to be able to exit the turn with any kind of power. So they can cause issues versus the higher speed highway off ramps where you can carry a lot of momentum off the highway. These are a lot different. So I'm going to post these ones, and then I'm going to make a highway one afterward, and you can check it out. Now, when I'm letting my clutch foot out, I'm doing it so that I'm kind of smoothening out the bump on the downshift. That bump you feel where it throws you forward in the car. And so I'm taking my time to smooth that bump out. But the issue is that no one over the internet can tell you what you're feeling at your clutch foot. Maybe you're not feeling any bump at all. Then you can just pop your clutch foot out and it's no big deal. But if you're feeling an aggressive bump, maybe you want to take your time to smoothen that out. But you gotta figure out a balance where you're not riding the clutch pedal for too long, and you're just smoothening like most of the bump out and then letting the clutch foot out. You don't want to ride the pedal too long, but for sure understand what you're feeling at the clutch pedal. If you're not feeling anything, no big deal. If you're feeling a big bump, then learn how to make it a little bit smoother for yourself. The other thing is you need to turn your head and look through the turn. So you're looking for your exit and where the turn straightens out. I'll post a video after this. I made a video about turning your head, and I did it in an automatic car. So I'll post that, and you can check it out. It doesn't really matter what turn it is, on ramp, off ramp, slow turn, fast turn. Here I am in fourth gear. I'm gonna brake, clutch in, third gear, smooth clutch out, ease into the turn, accelerate out of the turn. So I'm in fourth gear, going downhill. I see this right-hander. I don't have to shift, but I am. I'm gonna brake, clutch in, third gear, smooth clutch out, ease into the turn, accelerate out of the turn. Gonna brake, second gear, smooth clutch out, accelerate up the hill. So we're going towards the same on-ramp as before where I wasn't shifting. I was just doing the brake, ease into the turn, and accelerate. Here I am in fourth gear. This time under braking, I'm going to put it into third gear. So I'm braking same place, but now clutch in, third gear, smooth clutch out, ease into the turn, push the car around the turn, look for a turn to straighten out, right around here. Gonna get into the gas, gonna put it into fourth gear. Same thing, same turn as before. Gonna brake, under braking, clutch in, third gear, smooth clutch out, ease into the turn, push the car up the hill, accelerate, look for a turn to straighten out, right around here, ease into the gas. Gonna put it in fourth gear. Gonna brake in a straight line, clutch in, third gear, smooth clutch out, ease off the brake. Gonna make a right, brake in a straight line, ease off the brake, ease into the turn, accelerate out of the turn, brake in a straight line, ease off the brakes, ease into the turn, gentle gas, look for turn to straighten out, right around here, ease into the gas, going to put it in fourth gear, under braking, going to put it into third gear, smooth clutch out, ease into the turn, look for turn to straighten out, right here, ease into the gas. So I'm easing around the turn, going to accelerate out of the turn, put it in fourth gear, then going to downshift into third. So accelerate out of the turn, right here. Going to put it into fourth gear. Will these cars get in the way? Maybe. Going to brake, third gear, smooth clutch out, ease off the brake, ease into the turn, gentle gas up the turn, look for turn to straighten out right around here, accelerate out of the turn, fourth gear, brake in a straight line, smooth downshift, ease into the turn. Gonna just put in fourth gear for this, brake in a straight line, smooth downshift, ease into the turn. So I'm not coming off the brakes while I'm doing the downshift. I'm holding the brake steady and doing the downshift. And when the downshift is done, then I'm clutching up, easing off the brakes into the turn. Look for turn to straighten out. Right here, going to accelerate. Going to put it into fourth gear. Going to put it into fifth gear. Going to brake, clutch in, smooth clutch out, ease into the turn. Always making sure I have control of the brakes, and I'm thinking about making sure to slow the car down. I'm not getting confused with what I'm doing with the shifter, and it's not overwhelming me. Right around here. Fourth gear. Gonna brake hard, clutch in, smooth clutch out. Make sure that clutch comes out smoothly, not slow, not fast. You want to work it out so you feel it's smooth. Alright, I'm coming to an off ramp on the right side. When I exit, I'm going to put it down to fourth gear. So clutch in, smooth clutch out. Ease into my turn. Gonna brake in a straight line. Gonna leave it in fourth. Gentle gas. Push the car around the turn. Gonna put the car in third gear. Smooth clutch out. The whole goal when you bring the clutch out is smoothing that bump that you feel when the clutch starts to hit the bite point. So don't go fast, don't go slow. You want to think about smoothing that bump. Gonna make a right. Just for the video, gonna do the downshift. So I'm gonna brake in a straight line, third gear, smooth clutch out, ease off the brakes. Push the car around the turn, look for the turn to straighten out. Little bit of gas, brake in a straight line, ease into the turn straightens out. Gonna accelerate, gonna put it into fourth gear just for the video. Gonna brake, third gear, smooth, clutch out, ease into the turn. Look for turn to straighten out right around here. Gonna ease off the gas, ease into the turn. Gonna put it into fourth gear. Gonna leave it in fourth gear and gonna be making the exit on the right side. This is very slow turn, 20 kilometers an hour. It's gonna need second gear. Gonna put to third gear, smooth clutch out. Gonna brake, put to second gear, smooth clutch out. Gonna make my turn. Gonna power out of the turn. Gonna use the whole off on ramp. Gonna brake over a long distance. Gonna put to fourth gear, smooth clutch out. Gonna put to third gear, smooth clutch out. Ease into the turn. Third gear, gonna put to fourth gear, go in the right lane, start to brake, third gear, smooth clutch out, ease into the turn, gentle gas around the turn, look for turn to straighten out. Right around here, start to ease into the gas. Gonna put it to fourth gear. Gonna be making a right exit here, and I'm in fifth gear. Gonna leave it in fifth gear. Put it to fourth gear, smooth clutch out, under braking. I'm going to put to third gear, smooth clutch out, ease off the brakes, ease into the turn. Gentle gas, push the car around the turn. Look for turn to straighten out right here. Ease into the gas. Accelerate out of the turn. Look for turn to straighten out right here. Ease into the gas. Gonna put to fourth gear. Gonna make a right here. So I'm braking, clutch in, smooth clutch out, ease off the brakes, ease into the turn. Turn straightens out for a short bit right here. Give a little bit of gas, brake in a straight line, ease off the brakes, ease into the turn. brake in a straight line, ease into the turn, look for turn to straighten out right here, give gas, ease off the gas, let the engine braking work for you, ease into the gas, I'm going to slow down a bit, let these cars go ahead, I'm going to put it to fourth gear, put to third gear, ease off the brakes, ease into the turn. I'm going to put to fourth gear just for a video, give a little bit of acceleration, I'm braking, clutch in, smooth clutch out, ease off the brakes, ease into the turn. Look for turn to straighten out onto the highway right here, give gas, accelerate, gonna leave it in third gear, gonna put it to fourth gear, braking, smooth clutch out, third gear, smooth clutch out, ease into the turn, look for turn to straighten out right here, brake in a straight line, ease into the turn, accelerate out of the turn, put to fourth gear, gonna make a right, braking, clutch in, smooth clutch out, ease into the turn, look for turn to straighten out right here, give gas,